Welcome back to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back down here at the inlet. And this crew appears to be having a good time at Haulover. Let's see if the rest of our captains will have as much fun coming through the inlet as this crew did. Our first contestant to do battle with haulovers, I'm going to show you when you're coming through any of these inlets down in South Florida, you need to be observant and pay attention. Now you might be thinking pay attention to the conditions and things like that, but that's not only what we're looking at here. So for example, you've never been through haulover and you've got a guy in the back of the boat hanging like this dude. You definitely probably don't want to be these people in the bow, because this tells me the guy in the back of this boat has been through haulover on conditions like this in this vessel, and he knows how this one ends. And our people up in the bow think they're just up there to have a good time and hang out. Well, no, they're there for the rest of the crew to get a couple giggles, because they probably already know they're gonna stuff the bow at some point. And here we go, and this crew is now soaked, and this boat stuffed the bow, and will take a loss for the boats here in the first round. Hopefully our captain in the second round will have a little better luck as they make their approach to haulover. Oh my, this crew's going big and they are just sending it. It absolutely appears this crew is not playing with haulover today. They're about to blast their way through this inlet, throttle down. They don't care what the conditions are like. Today it's a nice tight chop, which is going to get this crew a little bit of air as they come rolling through haulover. But once again, this is that crew that basically just likes to send it, and they're going to make their way right into the inlet without any issues. They'll take a win for the boats easily here in the second round. And how do you follow this one up? Well, don't worry, our captain in the third round plans to make quick work of haulover as well, as we'll see this crew come rolling through the inlet, throttles down as well, and this Hydro Sports just not caring and just full sending it through the inlet. This Hydro Sports makes easy work of haulover as well, and they'll take a win for the boats in the third round also. And that'll have haulover falling behind a little bit, but let's see if haulover can come back in the fourth round and tie this up, as we're going to see what happens when a little boat tries to make its way through haulover inlet. Here we're going to see this Shamrock kind of pushing its way through the inlet. They're definitely taking it slow. Once again, it's not overly huge here at haulover today, but it is a nice tight chop, which can cause problems for a vessel in this size range. I still would prefer to see this vessel moving just a little bit faster, having that bow trimmed up a little bit more, because they're kind of threatening stuffing the bow the whole way through. But I don't know, we just saw one of the things I hate to see the most. This girl's pulled a camera out and haulover's going to smack her for it. That's the last thing you want to do. Haulover's a little camera shy. It only likes us over here on the jetties filming. If you pull a camera out on the boat, you're almost always going to get that smack every single time. And we'll actually go ahead and give this round to haulover. And that's going to lead us into the fifth round at a 2-2 tie. And who will take the win this week? Will it be the boats or haulover inlet? And here we're going to see a bad idea. The last thing you want to do is come rolling through haulover inlet in the bow of the boat like this. But my man recognizes that pretty quick and moves a little bit further back, but still with two people on the bow, our captain's going to have to take it easy. I've seen this boat come through haulover a bunch of times. This crew does not usually take it at this pace, but they're trying to be nice to the guys up front. But those guys up front are still taking a beating. I mean, look at the whiplash my man just suffered on this last big wave as his neck cracks down. I'm not really sure how to call this one, so I'm going to let you guys decide who takes the win in this fifth round, the boats or haulover. Let me know in the comments below to determine the winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who gets us all these great images down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.